Thank you, David Raven Conroy, that was amazing. Thank you for your story. So now I'm going to read a few poems from Alex Checkerty, who has sent them via text message via Giles.
And Giles, you have to actually wait in for the do the eye.
So Alex Checkerty is an artist and a writer based in Paris, and he's currently in Stuttgart. So poem number 1. Once I fell in love with the sun. We broke up. I cannot stand long-distance relationship. The truth? Suddenly I was in love with a spider. Now it holds me in its cocoon, pending from its nest. Sometimes it comes, it dances around, soon will eat me, will suck me dry. Why don't you love me? Love it's blind. He's Italian, by the way. That wasn't clear. This is a poem about the horror in the UK. This is a farce. This is a farce. The Compot does not know how to plot. The actors steal each other role. The stage is empty. The show on the emergency exit, and yet we haven't finished to pay the tickets. This is a farce. This is a farce. This is the world we live in. And this is the last poem, and for this I have to give a facial massage to someone. And a child, if you could just... you have to take off your glasses. Her creamy fingers circling around my eyes, circling around my forehead. Soon I fell asleep. Sorry, I could not help it. No worries, she said. This will do. You good. Her creamy fingers circling around my eyes, circling around my forehead. Soon I fell asleep. Sorry, I fell asleep again. Oh, you are still, she said. I am the masseuse of your dreams. Her creamy fingers circling around my eyes, her creamy fingers circling around my forehead. Soon I fell asleep. Thank you, Alex.